The AUTOABC module is designed to seamlessly integrate with Peugeot and Citroën vehicles featuring SMEG NAC systems. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, providing drivers with the flexibility to use their preferred smartphone interface directly on the car's dashboard display. Whether you use an iPhone or an Android device, the module ensures effortless connectivity and compatibility. The AUTOABC wireless CarPlay and Android Auto module, available on Aliexpress, brings cutting-edge connectivity and multimedia capabilities to Peugeot and Citroën vehicles equipped with SMEG NAC systems like the Peugeot 208, 308, 508, 3008, and Citroën DS3, DS4, DS5. Beyond CarPlay and Android Auto, the AUTOABC module also supports Mirror Link, allowing users to mirror their smartphone screen onto the car's display. This feature enables access to a wide range of apps, navigation services, and multimedia content directly from your mobile device, enhancing convenience and accessibility while driving. The module enhances the multimedia capabilities of your vehicle with its support for high-quality audio and video playback. Whether you're streaming music, watching videos, or navigating through your favorite apps, the AUTOABC module delivers a seamless and immersive experience with clear, vibrant visuals and crisp sound quality. Installing the AUTOABC module is straightforward, designed to integrate seamlessly into your Peugeot or Citroën vehicle without complex modifications. Once installed, the module provides an intuitive user interface on the car's display, ensuring easy navigation through apps, settings, and features. The AUTOABC wireless CarPlay and Android Auto module from Aliexpress represents a significant enhancement for Peugeot and Citroën owners seeking to upgrade their in-car connectivity and multimedia experience. With its support for wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mirror Link, the module ensures that drivers can stay connected, entertained, and informed while maintaining focus on the road ahead. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, the AUTOABC module transforms your driving experience into a seamless blend of technology and convenience. A standout feature of the AUTOABC module is its smart voice control capability. Once connected to CarPlay or Android Auto, drivers can activate Siri or Google Assistant simply by saying "Hey Siri" or "Hey Google." This hands-free operation allows for effortless voice commands to make calls, send messages, get directions, or control multimedia playback, all while keeping your focus on driving.